In this video, we are going to learn about mirror formula and magnification factor. Before learning the mirror formula, we have to understand what are the different types of distances we are using in the mirror formula. The first one is object distance. The distance of the object from its pole is called the object distance. The measurement must be taken only from the pole. Pole is the center of the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror. The distance of the image from the pole of the mirror is called the image distance. The distance must be measured only from the pole of the mirror. The last one, the distance of the principal focus from the pole is called the focal length. Whenever measuring either focal length or other distances, you have to follow the Cartesian sign convention. The mirror formula is 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F, where V is the image distance, U is the object distance, F is the focal length of the spherical mirror. We have to follow Cartesian sign convention while measuring the V, U and F. The next is magnification factor of a spherical mirror. Magnification factor is given by the ratio of height of the image with height of the object. That is, M is equal to H dash over H, where H dash is height of the image, whereas H is height of the object. It is expressed as the ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object. It is usually represented by the letter M. There is one more formula for magnification, that is M is equal to minus V by U, where V is the image distance and U is the object distance. The negative sign in the value of magnification indicates that the image is real. The same way, a positive sign in the value of the magnification factor indicates that image is virtual. By using this sign convention, we can identify whether the given image is real or virtual. Now, before summarize, we quickly recall all the important points related with the mirror formula and magnification factor. In the case of concave mirror, the focal length, radius of curvature, object distance will be always negative. In image distance, except one case, in all other cases, the distance will be negative. When the object is placed between principal focus and pole of the mirror, image forms behind the mirror. So in that case alone, the image distance is negative. In all other cases, it's a negative. Magnification factor may be less than 1 or equal to 1 or greater than 1. It depends upon the position in which object is placed. Now come to the convex mirror. In convex mirror, focal length, radius of curvature and image distance all will be in positive direction of x-axis. That is the principal axis. Only the object distance will be negative. The magnification factor will be always less than 1. That means convex mirror always produce diminished image. Now come to the formula of magnification factor. M is equal to minus V by U, and another formula is M equal to H dash by H. For real image, M is negative. For virtual image, M is positive. When you identify the nature of the image, we have to follow another concept called magnitude of M. That means we have to ignore the sign and consider the numerical value alone. If that value is less than 1, then the image is diminished 1. If it is equal to 1, we call that as a same size image. If the magnitude of M is greater than 1, the image will be enlarged to 1. If Now, what is the difference between erect and inverted? Now, look at this picture here. The object is placed above the principal axis